Plums are a type of stone fruit belonging to the genus Prunus, which also includes cherries, apricots, and almonds. Known for their juicy, sweet, and slightly tart flavor, plums are enjoyed fresh, dried, as prunes, or used in various culinary applications. This diverse fruit comes in many varieties, each with unique characteristics in terms of size, color, and taste. Botanical characteristics. Plum trees are deciduous and typically grow to a height of 5 to 6 meters, although dwarf varieties exist that are more compact. The trees have a rounded canopy with spreading branches. The leaves are simple, ovate to lanceolate, with serrated edges. Plum flowers are usually white or pink, appearing in early spring before the leaves fully develop. These flowers are critical for fruit production and are often pollinated by insects such as bees. Fruit. The fruit of the plum tree is a drupe, which means it has a single large seed, stone, surrounded by fleshy pulp. Plums vary widely in size, ranging from small, cherry-sized fruits to larger ones that can be as big as a baseball. The skin of plums can be smooth or slightly fuzzy and comes in various colors, including red, purple, blue, yellow, and green. The flesh can also vary in color, from deep red to yellow to green, depending on the variety. Varieties. There are several species and countless cultivars of plums. Some of the most common types include European plums, Prunus domestica. These are the most widely cultivated plums in Europe and North America. They are typically oval-shaped with purple or blue skin and sweet, yellow flesh. Popular varieties include Stanley, Damson, and Italian. Japanese plums, Prunus salicina, originating in China but extensively cultivated in Japan. These plums are usually round and have red or yellow skin with juicy, sweet tart flesh. Common varieties include Santa Rosa, Satsuma, and Shiro. American plums, Prunus americana, native to North America. These plums are smaller and more tart than their European and Japanese counterparts. They are often used for making jams, jellies, and preserves. Cultivation. Plum trees prefer well-drained, loamy soils with a pH between 5.5 and 6.5. They require full sun to produce the best fruit. Plum trees are hardy and can tolerate a range of climates, although they generally prefer temperate regions. Proper irrigation is crucial, especially during dry periods, as plums require consistent moisture for optimal fruit development. Plum trees benefit from regular pruning to maintain their shape and encourage healthy growth. Pruning helps improve air circulation and light penetration, which can reduce the risk of disease and enhance fruit quality. Thinning the fruit is also important, as it prevents overcrowding and allows the remaining plums to grow larger and more evenly. Pests and diseases. Plum trees can be susceptible to various pests and diseases. Common pests include aphids, plum curculio, and spider mites. Diseases such as brown rot, black knot, and bacterial canker can also affect plum trees. Proper cultural practices, such as regular pruning, proper spacing, and maintaining tree health, can help manage these issues. In some cases, chemical treatments may be necessary to control severe infestations or infections. Harvesting and storage. Plums are typically harvested from late spring to early fall, depending on the variety and growing region. The fruit should be picked when it is fully ripe, as plums do not ripen significantly after being harvested. Ripe plums are slightly soft to the touch and have a fragrant aroma. After harvesting, plums can be stored at room temperature for a few days or refrigerated to extend their shelf life. They can be eaten fresh, dried, to make prunes, or used in a variety of culinary dishes, including pies, tarts, jams, and sauces. Nutritional benefits. Plums are a nutritious fruit, providing a good source of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. They are particularly high in vitamin C, vitamin K, and dietary fiber. The antioxidants found in plums, such as phenolic compounds and anthocyanins, contribute to their health benefits, including reducing inflammation and protecting against chronic diseases. Culinary uses. Plums are versatile in the kitchen and can be used in both sweet and savory dishes. Fresh plums are delicious on their own or added to salads, yogurt, and desserts. They can be baked into pies, tarts, and cakes or cooked down into jams, jellies, and sauces. Prunes, or dried plums, are often used in baking and can be stewed or added to savory dishes for a touch of natural sweetness. In summary, plums are a diverse and delightful fruit with a rich history and wide range of uses. Their delicious flavor, combined with their nutritional benefits and culinary versatility, makes them a favorite among fruit lovers worldwide. Whether enjoyed fresh, dried, or cooked, plums offer a burst of sweetness and a touch of tartness that can enhance any dish. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel.